Hello, welcome to my new listing. It's a beautiful day. As you can see, it has parking on the driveway, a whole one-car garage, has entrance to the backyard from the front. And look at this front. It's just this cute little cottage. It is so cute. As you can see, it has a beautiful fence all around. So if you have dog, I had to show you the area for the dog. It's amazing. Let's go and take a peek inside. Now, we're here inside. As you can see, it's a table for four, beautiful dining area. And then we come up here and we have a beautiful sitting area, and it's nice to look outdoors so you can see how much light there is. The windows are all new. Just look at the floor. It's a beautiful wood floor. It has a fan too. But this house has central air and central heating, and some of the homes in this area don't, but they do. Let's go in here and take a look at the master bedroom. As you can see, it has a closet, has beautiful windows, a lot of light, and has a door coming out here. Beautiful, just really, really nice and comfortable. You can take a look to go outside from here. Hopefully I'm not moving this too much. The bathroom has completely been done. Look at this, just beautiful. Oh, I love it. So look at this, just nice, everything nice, brand new vanity. Everything looks so brand new and nice. And this is bedroom number 2. It is very nice. It has its own closet too, as you can see. Right now he's using it as an office, but it could be a bedroom. Has a nice door, barn door to take care of everything here, so it's just some privacy. And from here you can go into the laundry room. Can you imagine this little cute little house with a laundry room? Really cute. And then we can go outside. Look at this. As you can see outside, we have beautiful patio area. So sunny today, and it goes right into the garage. Very big garage. I mean, you can fit everything. And of course we have little dog, which is cute, and we have a lot of stuff in storage here. But as you can see, it's plenty of room. Storage is all finished in most of the area here. And if we come up here, this is a lot of outdoors. You can see it's all very private because it has this beautiful plants. But we can come and walk this way. We can walk this way. And then we have the doggy area. So he had put grass up here so you can have a nice private area for the dog. But you can see the fence is brand new, has a lot of seating area, privacy with this nice plant. So ready for you. And here we have the kitchen. Super nice. Look at how nice and organized. Wow, this is so organized. It's beautiful. Now we have the granite countertop, got the dishwasher. The kitchen is super nice, has a nice area, and you can see the appliances. But you know, it's cool because look at that flooring. That Saltillo flooring is beautiful. So you can come out here and you back out into your living area. Just perfect. And the best part of it is your house, your own privacy. You don't have anyone up there, down there, and it's at the price of a condo, but it's a house. So come and take a look at it. We love to see you living into this house. Bye. This is Zoraya, 619-871-3850.